Good morning. I'm ready to show you the studio now that it's all cleaned up and reorganized on this beautiful sunny day. Okay, starting right here. This is my main desk, I guess you'd call it. I do a lot of work. Also got my nice work table there. And we're just going to go around the outer edges of the room. This is where I keep the paints and the paint markers and that sort of thing that I use a lot. Over back here, we've got the beginning of the paper area. The blue cart right now is holding projects that are in progress or up next on the list of things to do. Then again, more paper down there, more paper up there, big rack of paper, lots of paper. All right, moving on. This is kind of stuff like that I work with on paper, I guess you'd say. So we got the markers, got lots of mixed media things, got stuff for collage, got some journals stuck back in there that I play with sometimes. And now we're kind of getting into, I've got watercolor paints and some other alcohol inks and more small paints and some other paints. And anyway, mostly paints. Got some pencils in here, got the Pitt pens, the gel pens, the pastels. More things down here for mixed media collage and nature type stuff. Speaking of which, there's some nature type stuff I've collected up here. We got some snake skins. Just a few cicada wings left. Got this cool nest. I like to bring stuff like that in here. And sometimes I put it in my art as well. So, I'm going to turn back up a little bit here. All these, here we go. All these shelves are new. That was the major focus of the new studio redo. So I've got lots of big tubs down on the bottom with my resin supplies. And then, sorry, I had a cough this morning. Of course, I have my little record player and some of my albums, artwork here and there and everywhere. And then these are more tool type things I use, little clips and nails and cutting tools and tape. And anyway, everything's all nice and labeled, so I know where things are. That's that area. I'll go around the corner here. That just goes out to the garage, so that's not too terribly exciting. And then this way is the back room, which I finally got finished yesterday, so I can include it in the tour. As you can see, a lot of art hanging on the walls, and then down below are a lot of supplies. More supplies down below, more art up above. Packaging supplies, shipping supplies, framing supplies. Got this nice big work desk back here. Still got a few things on it I need to sort through, but anyway, another nice big area to work. My trusty paper cutter. And then this is a photo box when I'm taking pictures of art and or jewelry. I use that. More supplies, magazines, more art. And This wall's just got extra grids, some art, a few things I haven't put away yet. And that is my nice big trusty cabinet full of stuff. I think that's about the extent of what the back room is. And we're going to go back up to the main area. And I moved all my jewelry and jewelry supplies over here. Maybe a few other supplies in the rack, but the bulk of it is for the jewelry making. So I've got that. And this is my nice covered deck. I do a lot of planting and transplanting out here on the table when I'm working with my plants, and that's storage for plant containers and whatnot. It is fenced in, so if I want my pups to come out here with me, they've got a place they can stay and I don't have to worry about what they're up to. So, and I don't know if you can see it, but right there is my hammock holder. And that is an excellent place to take a nap if you're into napping, and I am. Okay, this is more of a little kitchen area, an old antique cabinet that I think my mom got from my great aunt. It's been around forever, so that's kind of a nice little treasure. Got my sink with the hot water going, which is amazing because when I first moved in here, all I had was cold water, and whew, in the wintertime, that was pretty rough on the fenders. Trusty fridge for water and adult beverages. A few snacks, because, you gotta snack. And then this nice big table here in front of the windows with all the sunlight coming in is where I start all my seeds in the spring. I'll be doing that pretty soon. And then grow them and transplant them out to the garden when it's time to do so. Yeah, the only thing I haven't shown you, I'll go slow here so I don't make any of us motion sick. It's the center of the room. And this is kind of a little area. You can sit and sip coffee, read a book, visit with a friend. So, got me a little social area. This rocking chair was my mom's, and I'm gonna paint it up all fun and funky. That's on the to-do list. Back here is my big fluffy dog bed for all the puppies when they're out here with me. And then I've got this fantastic big sweeping desk with room for lots of people and lots of art. And so I use it when I'm working, obviously, but also when I'm teaching classes. That's where the classes are. So that is pretty much the tour. I may go around and do some quick clips of some details at the end here. And thanks for joining me on the tour.